I'm Citra.
I'm Murtala.
Hai, saya Aleta.
This is Dian. That's Fira.
I'm Amelia.
My name is Alfira.
And we are the Suara Indonesia Dance Group.
As a group, we perform a variety of dances from around Indonesia and then we teach. We perform at different festivals around Sydney and in different parts of Australia as well. And a team of us usually go on tour. So we tour around Australia teaching dance in different schools, universities and communities. And we do performance workshops. The type of dancing that we do, we are impossible because we really need some money to get to Europe.
We're going to Europe.
It's the first trip overseas with the whole dance group.
And we plan to travel all around Europe, showcasing our awesome dancing.
So we will spread our culture around the world.
We are going to introduce our Indonesian culture to European people.
We'd really like to break down any kind of misconceptions and just building those relationships on a people-to-people level. The money will be going towards our flights, our accommodation, our travel between the countries, and food.
The countries that we're visiting are
Germany,
the Netherlands, France,
Czech.
Indonesia, and Czech Republic.
Indonesia.
I love being in the Suara Indonesia Dance Group because
We get to get together every week.
I get to explore the Indonesian culture, I guess, be closer to my heritage.
I like the sisterhood. I like the friendship with everyone.
Spending time with my sisters.
It's not just rehearsing, it's also seeing your good friends.
Having to live overseas in Australia, it reconnects me back.
I love all the food that we eat every time we practice.
I feel like they're all my sisters now.
You know, it's good to share culture while having so much fun as well.
Saya senang gabung dengan Suara Indonesia karena saya baru pindah sini, terus jadi banyak langsung punya teman.
I love Suara Indonesia Dance Group because we are like family. We are rehearsal together, eat together. We sharing our culture together.
I think I love the friendship the most. The friends that I've made, they've become like my sisters. I can rely on them for almost anything, except for getting to rehearsals on time.
We would like to raise 10,000! For all you people out there, please help us achieve this dream that we've had for so long.
If you just spare us $5, it would mean a lot.
Be generous so we can represent Australia and Indonesia in Europe.
You can only do it with your kind donations.
Now you can not have coffee for a day and then give us money, or you can not eat for a week and give us all your money, or just give us money and still drink coffee and eat.
Ayo bantu Suara Indonesia biar bisa tur Eropa dengan sukses. Terus kalau punya temen yang bisa memberikan dana kepada kita, tolong kasih tahu, share video kita, dan bantu kita.
Those people who want us to perform at a festival or a private function, we can dance for you if you pay us. So you can just choose that option. And share it with your friends. Click like, share it to the world. Everyone donate so we can achieve our dreams. See you in Europe.
laut arus pulau perahu dua hai rekan kayo jalo kata urung di luar. Bunga hele hala, bunga hele hala, bunga hele hala.